grounds mu Rukororo muyobozi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni ayigira abashomesa okukira munonga abamatendekera gahiguru okushomesa abaana hamwe n'eminyeto okurugombyo kweraguza kugira ngo ebya science na teknolojiya byo bikubasa kutwara ihanga eryo meisho utiriho no kwindura embera z'aba.
But if you are clear, like on the side of science, that really we are basically talking about understanding nature and its natural laws and how they can help man in solving one or the other problem, or even creating problems for society. Because some people use natural laws to create problems for society. The societies which understood gunpowder before we did created a lot of problems for us.
Atyo niko kwamya wihanga nka Uganda niriyetengesa kongera amano mu teknolojiya yawo kurebe kangu yabasa kwerinda beinazi abakuba batari kuryendeza umuringo nuko kuma President Museveni amze ku government ya NRM irikuza korekera kubasika cyo na kurebe kangu ihanga ya Uganda yayongera kutunguka umbya science and technology.
In my view, you can later on, when we have time, you can guide me, say no, you are mistaken here, you can help me. But from what I've been watching, understanding nature and its laws and using them to solve problems is one very important part of education.
Mukoro nugogume Mama Janet Museveni uri minister w'ebyemizano amwe no Mwegyese mu ihanga simira abo bona abambanzo mu office je abo kutebekanisiza je Mwegyese bya higuru mu ihanga.
Quantitative increase from 67 higher education institutions 20 years ago to 265 right now is a testament that the government has created an environment that fosters growth. This shows that INCHI's work has increased fourfold to monitor and authorize that many higher education institutions to operate. The higher education system should become relevant to the society it is operating in by rightly diagnosing the problems in society and their root causes before prescribing remedies.